Is your 2019-2023 Nissan Qashqai key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common cause. This video will guide you through a simple DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money. The process is the same for all 2019-2023 Qashqai models. A new CR2032 battery typically costs between $5 and $10, while professional replacement can range from $60 to $100. Your Nissan Qashqai key fob uses a CR2032 battery. This is a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, measuring 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters in thickness. It powers the fob's radio frequency transmitter for remote locking, unlocking, and panic functions. Expect a lifespan of 1 to 2 years, but cold weather can significantly reduce battery life. For replacing the key fob battery on your 2019-2023 Nissan Qashqai, you'll need a few simple tools. A small flathead screwdriver is essential for prying open the fob case. A plastic prying tool is recommended instead of metal to avoid damaging the internal circuits. Optionally, use a battery tester to verify the new CR2032 battery's voltage before installation. Important: avoid using metal tools, as they can cause electrical shorts or circuit damage. First, locate the small notch or seam on the side of your Qashqai key fob. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic prying tool into this notch. Carefully twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob's casing. Avoid applying excessive force, which could break the plastic. With the fob open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Use your tool to gently pry the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the correct polarity. Incorrect polarity can damage the fob. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring they are securely closed. There should be no gaps or loose parts. Now, test the fob's functions near your Nissan Qashqai. Try locking, unlocking, and using the panic button to confirm the new battery is working correctly. If your key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, start by double-checking the battery polarity and confirming the battery is fresh and properly installed. In rare cases, a firmware glitch may require reprogramming through the vehicle's infotainment system. Follow your owner's manual for the specific steps. Try resetting the fob by pressing and holding both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds, as recommended in Nissan forums. If problems continue, it could indicate a faulty transmitter or other internal issue, requiring professional service from a Nissan dealer. To maximize your key fob battery life, minimize use of the panic button and keep the fob indoors when it's cold outside. Future Nissan models may feature smartphone integration to reduce battery dependency. For environmental responsibility, recycle CR2032 batteries through local programs.